Stand up, turn around, face the car. Put your hands behind your back like you're clapping. Put your palms together.
I have broken fingers. I have broken pinky.
You have broken fingers?
I broken pinky, so it was kind of being uncomfortable.
All right, listen. You've been cooperative. I'm trying to take it easy on your hand here.
You got any weapons on you or anything? No. Stand up for me. You just put your phone down real quick. Just don't reach in your pockets. Turn around for me. You are being placed under arrest for shoplifting, okay? And do wish to pursue charges.
Welcome to Fraud Criminals, where we uncover the daring schemes of those who believe they are above the law. Today, we dive into 5 shocking Target burglaries where greed and power collide. In our first case, a woman was stopped after trying to steal Lego from Target. Follow along as we reveal the details of these crimes and the consequences they faced. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Hello. How are you?
I was stopping you because this vehicle is possibly involved in shoplifting from Target. So they provided the description very well of the vehicle and description of, you. So, do you have your driver's license with you? Yeah, I don't, All right, thanks. Yeah, so, you essentially know what I know right now. There's a deputy there that has confirmed it, and they're trying to get all the details hashed out, but they provided a very clear description of the vehicle, which matches this description, and almost an identical tag number, so, just hang out, okay? You don't have any weapons in the vehicle or anything? Okay. All right, I'll be right back. We're looking for Legos. We're back in the show with Legos.
I'm gonna hang out on this side. So where are you heading today? Where? Interlaken? Okay. What brings you into Palm Coast?
Just driving through from Edgewater.
Just driving through from Edgewater? Okay. What takes you out to Interlaken?
I'm staying there. I'm going through divorce.
You going through a divorce?
And my mother has a lake house there.
Have the witness respond or show up.
So do you live in Edgewater?
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a storage in Edgewater.
You have a storage unit out there?
Yeah, I'm kind of taking all my stuff to my mom or to the lake house right now because it's just too much for me now.
Okay.
Just north of West 100 on US 1. Yeah.
All right, just hang tight for a couple minutes. Or just kind of trying to figure out what's going on. I just rolled up, so I don't, I'm just here standing by for safety. I don't really know a whole lot what's going on, so. You don't know what happened?
What's happening? Yeah.
Did you make any stops when you got off the highway?
Yeah.
Where'd you stop?
Sorry.
You stopped at Target? Oh, nobody said you took anything. Oh, so what'd you get at Target?
Nothing. I didn't get it.
You didn't buy anything? No. Okay.
She's got a bunch of Legos in the back of this truck, so it's possible that we could have more than one shoplifter incident from another location.
How come you stopped at Target?
Just to shop because I buy and sell Legos. So
You buy and sell Legos? So you were shopping, but you didn't get anything?
I didn't end up getting it.
You didn't get anything? No? Okay. So they just didn't have what you were looking for? Yeah.
We're always finding cars.
I'm good at what I do. He's thinking ahead.
How do you go about buy, sell, trading Legos?
Yeah, just word of mouth. Word of mouth.
Word of mouth? Okay. You nervous? You seem like you're shaking a little bit. Yeah?
You know.
Well, they got the property.
Yeah, she passed all lines of sale outside. They recovered it outside the store. You know, she's got a bunch of Lego boxes, like Star Wars Legos and all that. I mean, I can see in the back. So it's possible that, according to the store, they're saying that she's been hitting other stores in the state.
I'm gonna grab some water, okay?
Okay. Any weapons in the car?
No.
Did you just get that?
No.
No?
I had this since yesterday.
Do what?
I had this since yesterday.
You had it since yesterday. I know that's the Target brand, the Good and Gather.
Yeah.
That's where I do all my shopping too. I like that product there. It's good. I'm gonna have her step up because she don't need to be driving away. Have her step up. All right, ma'am. I'm just gonna have you step out of the car for me, okay? You could just leave that right on the center console for now. And you can put your phone down just so you don't drop it or anything. You can just leave it on the seat. Okay, you just hang tight right against the car here. Right here. You could just lean right against the car.
Is the key still in the ignition?
Yeah,
Is the car on?
I think so.
Okay, do you mind if I go turn it off real quick and leave the key on the dash? We just don't want it running off on us.
All right.
Yeah, we're just waiting for Rexford to show up.
Michelle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I have?
Oh, he's just waiting on one of our other partners. All right, just real quick, just because there's a lot of cops here, you know, you're on the car, we're standing by you. I'm just going to read you your rights real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking, have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. You understand these rights? All right. So you, because before I was asking you if you had any kind of narcotics.
Just checking.
Do you mind if my partner looks?
No.
No.
Alright, so real quick before I go search the vehicle or anything, would you mind just going to the back of his vehicle so that way we're not as close to traffic? And so you are aware that thing is sharp, so I don't want you getting hurt.
Alright, be careful for ants.
It looks like you. Hello, like you. We're gonna do a show up, and the deputy's gonna bring by the witness that we have, and they're gonna say whether or not whatever they observed was you or not.
I didn't take anything from that.
Well, I mean, according to them, passed all lines of sale, got out of the store, and they recovered the property outside the doors.
I was not outside the doors. You can see.
Okay. It sounds to me that you have kind of an issue with this stuff, you know, and maybe you should get some help, you know, because this isn't the way to be.
I'm having a rough time right now. Honestly, like I'm going through the worst. My husband's abusive,
Yeah.
and I'm sorry.
Some people that do shoplifting do it for the thrill or they're on hard times.
That
But, you know, it may seem like not a big deal to you, but those big corporations, they just write it off and they end up raising the prices of everything else. So the people who work their butt off to pay for stuff, I end up having to pay more for stuff like that. you know what I mean, my shoplifting bill or shopping bill is more because of theft. I don't think it's fair, you know.
She has a roll of Walmart receipt paper for some reason.
It's not Walmart. Because
Survey
Walmart has blank.
Walmart.com.
Really?
Yeah. Survey Walmart.com.
Okay.
Wonder if Walmart has anything on her. Found a Target roll.
So you're going through some tough times. That's kind of why you're getting caught up in this stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like financially difficult times.
Yeah, my husband is not supporting me at all. And even when we were together, it was really
So are you having to shoplift to provide for your needs, that kind of deal? Huh? Is it basically?
I don't want to say too much to you.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I don't really want to say too much to you guys. I don't know.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
I'm starting to dig up a few things. These are some brand new shoes in a Target bag, no tags. There's a lot of like Target bags that are in this compressed like state. Here's a Walmart roll. Here's a Target roll, blank receipt paper. Like, but on the back it's the store paper.
So I guess explain to me, like, you have these items, and according, it's your word versus theirs, right? Because they're saying something. Explain to me what happened. How did it all go down?
I was pushing a car out of the store, and they stopped me, and I just walked away.
Where'd they stop you?
In the vestibule, the door vestibule.
You mean like the main doors to the store? All right, so you weren't like in the parking lot going to but you were heading out and they stopped you before you could get out?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he needs to just be driving by.
Okay.
Yeah. So just let us know on LE3, yay or nay.
Also, have your guy contact other LPs for other targets because we're finding a lot more merchandise.
Yeah. Okay.
But do your thing.
Ever stand just by the back of your vehicle, if you could stand over there, please. Yeah, just
If you want to swing right on your...
So just take a look as we drive by and let me know.
Mm-hmm. That's her.
Okay.
Stand up, turn around, face the car. Put your hands behind your back like you're clapping. Put your palms together.
I have broken fingers. I have broken pinky.
You have broken fingers?
A broken pinky. Sorry, it was kind of being uncomfortable.
All right, listen. You've been cooperative. I'm trying to take it easy on your hand here.
What's that?
What's going to happen with my vehicle?
It's gonna be towed.
Walk back to my vehicle.
With over $1,137.32 worth of Lego, she was charged with grand theft and taken to county jail without incident. While this case highlights the lengths some will go for material gain, the next incident reveals a pattern of repeated thefts and a surprising twist about the perpetrator's profession. A woman was caught shoplifting at a super Target, pushing 2 grocery carts filled with stolen goods past the point of sale.
So much cooler in here. All right, so what do we have together?
Loss Prevention reported 5 separate incidents of her loading stolen groceries into her Porsche. Shockingly, this was her second attempt within 24 hours.
One from July 29th, and then the
Okay,
other
so
one
those
is
are the
at
only
a
2 we're
reception.
addressing today.
Right.
Okay.
If you want to just proceed with this one right now, the one from today, we can. If you want to wait for the statement from this one,
it doesn't
which
matter.
I previously done.
If you have that together,
I don't have the
I'll take
statement.
them both.
I just have the intent.
You witnessed everything, saw it, saw
This.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So yeah, if you want to, right.
The other one, I have clear as day footage of her not even touching a check lane.
Right.
She didn't pay for anything in that.
Well, if you'd like to, if you want to come out with me, we'll talk to her. Or if you'd like to speak to her at any time, you're more than welcome to. She's requesting that.
Okay.
Do the trespass and everything. If you want to ask her about the other day, or she'll ask you.
Yeah.
Maybe she'll say something to you.
There's a couple of little things that I say when I'm interviewing them myself, so I'll just start with the same way.
Yeah, however you like. We're going to talk again for a minute. We're going to talk again for a minute. All right.
Hey, how's it going?
You stay in there.
Can I please talk to you?
Yeah, I'm here to talk. So just before we even start, in order for me to even be able to call the police or do anything like this, make any type of detainment, I have to have a full investigation of information that has no wiggle room, okay? So when you were here on the 29th, I also know you were here yesterday and you did absolutely nothing. I watched you the whole time that you were here. You were here. I have your plate. I have pictures of your plates. I have movements the entire time you're in the store. But on the 29th when you were here of July, and you made the selections of the LOL supply, of the LOL dolls and things along those lines. So the footage that I have is of your doppelganger. It's not of you?
No, I didn't say that.
Okay.
I can't recall being here yesterday.
That's fine.
That was the photo I showed you also.
And
you
the
identified as being
photo,
yourself too.
That's definitely me.
Okay.
I'm more than willing to pay everything that you have, and even if I have to pay a fine. But I'm just not in the right state of my mind because I've gone through a procedure and I'm on some medication. You can check my phone.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. So in regards to the making of the payments, I'm not trying to be mean about this, right? Unfortunately, at this point, it has to go through court proceedings, right? However, if you're not feeling well and things along those lines, please let them know because there are resources that are available for you and things like that, right?
Yeah,
just be honest about everything because that's what's going to indicate what's going to happen moving forward. So saying that maybe you weren't here or that you didn't do these things, I have footage of them.
It sounds, and I have not denied that I have been here, but like when you said I was here yesterday, I can't even recall being here.
Not yesterday,
to be perfectly honest with you.
The 29th.
She was here yesterday.
Oh, was
she just didn't do anything. I was just using that in this. You parked you parked right over there. You walked in the store, looked at kids' shoes, walked around the store for a literal minute and a half, and then exited the store again.
I don't remember.
And that's perfectly fine. If you don't remember that, then I would suggest that you let somebody know that.
I really, really would appreciate if I can go ahead and pay for all the losses that you guys have had because of my situation. And if we don't take it to the jail, I have 4 children, and I'm really sorry that I've caused this.
Yeah.
But I'm more than happy to just pay the loss and whatever fine I have to pay and not having to deal with jail or anything because I feel like because of my situation it's probably going to get even worse. And if there is a way to settle this, I would really, really appreciate it.
Unfortunately, the best way that this is going to get paid is through restitution at this point. There will be an opportunity for you to pay it back and maybe some type of closure on the case through that, but prior incidents and you literally just walked out the door with $1,000 of merchandise today.
All right, so before we talk, I just need to read your rights, okay, so you understand. All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you without cost. If you talk to me, you will have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand these rights as explained? And will you talk to me? You willing to speak with me? Sir? So what's going on today? We got the call.
Yeah.
Hitting the walls and other objects.
Just going through something. I did not mean to shoplift. I totally realized that I didn't bring my purse. I was coming in here and I was going to go back and have someone come in and help me out and pay for everything. And I'm more than happy to pay for it.
How many items did you bring with you?
I don't even know. I'm not in the right state of my mind.
Okay.
Just recently.
So obviously there's several large. I mean, what did you grab that you remember from the store?
I remember I grabbed a large box.
Take a seat.
And another large box.
Okay, 2 large boxes. Okay.
I recently lost my aunt out of COVID, and
I'm sorry to hear
just
that.
realized that I just came in and I didn't pay for it altogether, and I just realized that I need to have someone come and help me, and I was just about to go in and have someone come and take me back and help me out.
Help you to pay for everything you just took out of the store and loaded up. Okay.
Would you please let me go and pay for
Okay, obviously some of those items on the back seat belong to Target. I have a Target employee here. All right, if you're all right, I'm going to have them retrieve their items in the back. Is it a back seat? Yeah. Are you okay with me retrieving Target's items?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Would you?
All right. Yep, hold on one second. We're going to get you. So she says she's just going through a hard time and she totally forgot to pay.
Yeah. I have
obviously, how much of this is...
This is all us.
Okay.
This
She's
is
already
our
given me
brand.
permission to go in there and retrieve anything that belongs to Target anyway. So.
Take this and get an itemized list for you.
Yeah. So we'll verify what's yours. And before you put anything up, I'll need to get photographs and all that as well. Okay. So I'm assuming, you want to tell me yay, nay, I'm assuming yes.
Absolutely. This is not mine. That's her
That is
personal
her purse
belongings.
right
this
now.
This is all of our brands.
Just set that up on the front for right now.
This is also ours. This is also ours. This
So everything in here is yours?
ours. Yes, this is all us.
Okay.
Very consistent with the stuff that she's previously stolen as well. That's all us. That's all our brand. I don't even sell it anywhere else.
She's got an entire car full.
Yes. Yes. Earth in hand. Yes.
If you're good on this, I can hand it to her and you can go do your thing if you're good with it.
Thank you.
For it to be, I'm assuming.
Yeah, we need a couple of them. They will not take her medications. Leave that here. See if she wants to bring her purse. Or if we get a contact for somebody. Oops, sorry. That's a lot of stuff, not just a couple boxes.
I know.
That's like a couple shopping carts full.
I know.
How many trips did you make today?
Just one trip. I
That's a whole.
promise to you. I'm not-
That's a full cart. Okay. Well, here's the deal. The store wants to prosecute. Okay. So they wish to prosecute. So you are under arrest for retail theft. Okay. Your purse is in there. They can't take medications into the jail or anything like that. Do you want your purse with you?
Yes.
You have your ID in your purse.
I do.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna bring the purse back and then I'll get the ID out. I have to make sure there's no weapons or anything inside.
And the phone too. My children are asking for the phone too.
Are they? Father? Anybody we can call about the car?
Yes, I can call.
Oh, well, okay, we'll get to that information in just a moment.
We do sell them, but I can't substantiate that that came from us, so you can leave that one behind.
Hello. I'm going to pull up a little bit. Sorry about that.
She was arrested and charged with grand theft, receiving a 3-month probation sentence. It was later revealed she worked as an immigration lawyer. Despite her profession, she was arrested again 2 months later. The next case takes a darker turn, involving not just theft, but the endangerment of children. A woman was reported for shoplifting at a local Target. While allegedly encouraging her child to steal, she attempted to flee, nearly abandoning her child in the store.
Hey, stranger.
Asset Protection informed officers this wasn't her first offense. She frequently returned to steal multiple times a day. To make matters worse, she left 2 other children in a hot car while committing the theft.
That I have on her, but just dealing with today.
Okay.
Miss Latasha, she's more than capable of speaking, but she did let me know that she's living out of a hotel right now. She's having a hard time managing and paying for her stuff. Any relatives or anybody here. She had her mom was just calling from New York. She said. If you want to chat with her, you're more than welcome to.
I understand. I understand.
All right. So, right quick, are you gonna?
I would like to prosecute and trespass for this incident. Majority of the time, yes, she was here last night and she did steal alcohol last night as well. She stole alcohol today, but those are the most like frivolous things I've seen, things like that. Okay. I'm gonna start compiling on my end.
I'm actually gonna.
Do you mind if I take a picture?
Oh, sure. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Technically, I placed you into investigative detention, but since you have your daughter with you, I'm not gonna put you in handcuffs right now. Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm Deputy String with the Seminole County Sheriff's Office. Okay. At this point, you are in investigative detention, but for this, like I say, for the sake of your daughter right now, I'm not going to do that. Okay. But here's the thing: if you try to run out this door,
I'm not.
Yeah, and then we're in a whole totally different situation, okay? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and read your Miranda right now.
Is that a baby in the car? No, don't touch. Oh, so they have 2 young kids in the car and a baby in the car. Okay, might as well call DCF.
You have your ID on you? So, hold on, give me 1 second. Hey, what's going on? Do you have kids in your car? Do you have children in your car? Do you have children in your car?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Let me. Give me a second. I'm gonna read her Miranda. I'll call you back. Okay. Bye. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now or at any time during questioning. If you talk to me, you have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand each of these rights?
Yes.
Will you talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So the incident today, what was going on with it?
I just need to get some clothes for them.
Okay.
Just makeup.
Okay.
That was it. Like, I'm living in a hotel. I'm just having a hard time right now.
I get it, and we all have hard times.
I know.
So, but we have a bigger issue right now. How many children are in your car right now?
2.
2 kids. What are their ages?
My son is 10.
10 and?
My daughter is
1. So you got a 10-year-old and a 1-year-old in the car. That's it. Okay. All right. And then how old is?
4.
She's 4. Hi. 4. Okay. I thought they were babies, like an infant in the car. Okay. That kind of got me. I'm like, what are we doing? All right. So have you been here before? Okay. And what has taken place before? Why you came to this particular target?
There was no particular target, just that my son go to school in the area.
So how many times have you been at this target right here and stolen items?
I don't remember. I'm not sure.
So it's just been a whole bunch of times. Okay. And have your children been present with you while you've done it? Like physically in the store? Maybe?
Yeah,
okay. Because that's also a completely different charge. Because you are committing a crime in the presence of juveniles. So I'm not taking the arrest. Somebody else is going to take it. I'm here to pretty much kind of fill it until that person comes. Now, I will, whatever it is that what you're telling me right now, I will relay it to the arresting deputy, and it'll be up to them what they want to do. Okay? But I'm just letting you know what you're pretty much dealing with right now. You're committing a crime in the presence of your children. We're dealing with 2 different crimes right now, okay? So again, I'm gonna leave that up to them. Whatever it is that he wants to do with it, then that's him, okay?
So will they take them?
Do you have anybody that can come and get them?
I can try and find somebody, please.
I mean, you can give us a second. Again, here's the thing: you kind of put yourself in a bad situation. I get and honestly, we all go through trying times. To be honest with you, so am I. Okay. But you get what I'm saying? I mean, I don't want to kind of beat a dead horse.
I know.
Okay. All right. So you are trespassed from this particular target. Okay. If you do come back to this target, you will be subject to arrest. Okay. I do have to take a photo of you. Okay. Did you get the vehicle open?
I can just open it.
They got the vehicle open.
They broke the window?
I can't say if they broke it or not, but if your 10-year-old is in the car, pretty sure he opened up the door for them.
Yes.
4, 5, 13. That's 10-4. Hey. Hey. So I'm gonna leave this car open so you. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this car open so you guys can get some fresh air, okay?
Alright.
What's your name? And that's your sister, brother?
Yeah.
You're gonna be in the 5th grade?
Yeah.
And to make sure you guys getting some air conditioning. Make sure you guys get some air over there, okay?
Like I said, I'm gonna wait for the other deputy to see what he wants to do, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Chocolate, pink, bullseye. You got cookies? Yes.
Do you have the information if he's picking up the kids, or?
Yeah, I got it. I'll put it in this room.
Okay, thank you.
You welcome.
Did you get her? It's right there in the Target. Yes. They're right there. They're by the Circle K.
And they're on their way?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, you want to put your phone in your purse?
Okay. Is it possible I can just leave it with them?
The purse?
Yeah.
That's up to you.
Yeah, I trust this person.
So they are taking the stuff? I thought you just told her.
No, I told her that they were taking the stuff because I don't know like how this works. I've never been to jail, so I have to take. I don't know like how long I'm gonna be there. So they need food to eat.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up. Turn your hands behind your back.
Hey, how you doing?
Just come pick up the kids.
You are?
Yeah, I'm their dad.
What's your name?
Sorry?
Your name?
Yeah. Could you tell me what happened?
Yeah, if you want to close the doors. Yeah. So their mom got caught stealing out of there, and so she's going to jail.
No, not stealing. Stealing?
Yeah.
What? Now, when you say stealing, as in what?
I don't know exactly what she took or what she, and of course this isn't the first time. So,
So, let me call you right back.
So,
let me ask you a question. Is there like bail or anything like that?
Yeah, it's probably depending on what it is. As of right now, it's probably $500. It could be more. I don't know. She have a Florida license.
Is it possible I can pay that now?
No, you won't be able to pay it. It'll take some time. Ego, our loss prevention officer.
Are you related to the subject?
Yes.
That's the dad.
This is all the stuff that she actually paid for. She didn't want to refund it. She said that she would like for it to go with you guys so to take the food. Some of it is frozen.
Now let me ask you a question. What, like, this is what she stole?
No.
What did she steal?
She actually asked us if we could not disclose information to whoever was coming to pick up. It will obviously be public record, and you'll be able to see it anyway. But I'll just say this isn't the first time.
No, she's never did this before.
I'm saying this isn't the first time at the store. I'm telling you, it's not.
That she did this?
She's done this many times. I have documented incidents on, I think, probably 7 or so. But I'm only charging her for the one today. I will say that
she has children in the car. That's
absolutely,
what I'm saying.
I told them that. We knew that she had children in the car before we even stopped her.
So she was.
She just didn't pay for some stuff, but I.
What's in that pocket right there?
It's a pen.
The pen?
Yeah.
Let's walk you this way real fast.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go in there and grab it.
That's good.
Yeah, we were.
So I'm just gonna tell you right now, anything else you have on you, if it's introduced into the jail, it's gonna be another charge, you understand?
Anything but?
Anything else on you? Any other contraband?
Drugs, knives, guns, anything like that? Any kind of
No, I don't have anything.
We're just explaining, if you introduce it to a jail after this point, it is introduction of contraband.
Okay, I don't have anything.
Okay.
Take a seat.
She faced multiple charges, including grand theft and committing a crime in the presence of a minor. Despite the severity, she received only 3 months of probation. From child endangerment to bizarre thefts, the next case involves a man who thought he could outsmart the system with a simple trick. A man was caught shoplifting at Target by placing a Monopoly basketball collectible into a bin. He purchased the bin to conceal his theft and attempted to flee the scene.
Not much. Had a guy, I picked him up whenever he was back in toys. He selected a bunch of those small, I guess, new Monopoly cards or something like that.
Officers discovered he had stolen over $1,000 worth of collectibles, placing them all in the bin. To add to the recklessness, he left his wife and dog in the car during the theft.
Whenever we look up his card and our information, it comes back to a different name than what he gave me. So,
well, we don't think he's local?
I don't think that he is. This is the first time that he's been in this store that we can tell.
Okay, cool. I was here, so. What do we got going on?
There have beans, Monopoly boxes.
Okay.
Inside the storage bin.
Inside here?
Yep.
Okay.
Close up the storage bin, pass all points of sale, family pay for any of them.
Okay.
Return your receipt right there for how much.
All right, you got your driver's license, sir?
I don't. It's in my vehicle.
It's in your vehicle? Okay.
I'm really in Vegas.
So, all right, well, I'm Deputy Stanford. What's your name?
I just got a Florida driver's license.
Okay, so you have one?
They put the wrong birth date on. They put 9/3/94. They sent me a letter stating that it needed to be corrected.
But it's 8/9.
8/3/94 is the correct birth date.
And 8/9 is what's on it?
9/3 is what's on it.
Okay, 9/3 is what's on it. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to read you something before I ask you any questions. So, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights? Okay, with these rights in mind, do you wish to still talk to me? Okay. So,
pressing charges.
What's that?
Are they pressing charges?
I haven't got to that yet. I just walked in here. So, you want to walk me through what happened?
I made a mistake in putting them in the bin and not paying for them.
Put them in that bin?
Yes.
Did you just forget, or you were just trying to get them so you could sell them or something like that?
We do sell them.
You resell them?
Yes. Okay. But it was not intentional to not pay for them.
Mm-hmm. You just put them all in there and then forgot?
I did, yes. As crazy as that sounds, yes, I did.
Well, stranger things have happened.
It was an honest mistake. Like I told him, I have records. I've bought several of these before.
Mm-hmm.
I've gone to different targets when they're available. I'm sure that he knows they're.
Is that something only the Target sells?
Correct, yes.
It's the birthdays that's circled. Ian?
Nothing about.
Yeah.
What paperwork do you want me to know?
So-
I think we do.
So what happened?
I'll get started with everything.
Did you pay for the table and the bin?
Was that? I'm just gonna make sure you got the paperwork and if I think like
So-
these three things are pretty.
So how'd you scan the bin? You pick it up out and scan it, or?
I just scanned it right in the car.
Oh, right here? Okay, so you didn't pick it up.
So what happened was I grabbed the table first, I got the bin, and I walked back to toys to see if these were available. I put some in the cart, some in there. I was like, oh, well, maybe I can find bins to organize the actual cards in.
Okay.
So I put the rest of them in there, closed the case, continued to walk, stopped by the bathroom stuff to find other tubs.
Okay.
And I even spoke to a gentleman over there, and he asked what I was looking for, and I was looking for something long and narrow that I could put cards into. And I walked up and I didn't pay.
Okay. And then paid for that stuff, and then did you go out the door?
I came right here and they stopped me right here.
Oh, okay. All right.
I offered to pay for them. Just a really bad mistake.
Okay. You guys got one trespassed or what? What's the price on this?
$30 a month.
$30 a month. Okay. You say you were going to want that?
Yeah. Okay. He's calling out in the office right now.
So you're up in Jacksonville? You're not local here?
No, my company I work are in basically down the coast.
Okay.
Here, and I happen to just have a job here. That's why I card.
Yeah, whose card did you pay the stuff with?
My buddy Jackson Cruz. He's my partner.
You got any weapons on you or anything?
No.
Stand up for me. You just put your phone down real quick. Don't reach in your pockets. Stand around for me. You are being placed under arrest for shoplifting, okay? And do wish to pursue charges. So, you have any other weapons on you, anything like that? Okay. Alright. Go ahead and have a seat, bud. So, is your partner close or anything like that?
He lives in Kansas City.
Oh.
I mean, he has a
Okay.
house here to live with, but he lives in Kansas City.
Oh, she's here? Is she able to...
She doesn't speak English.
She doesn't speak English? Okay.
He's a translator most of the time. Converse.
How'd you guys meet? If you don't let me ask them. Online?
Yeah, she's from Mexico.
Okay. Does she have a driver's license? No.
She'll have to leave here.
She what?
She'll have to leave here.
Does she have any family in the area?
No. No.
So, you got your wallet in the truck and stuff? Okay. Yeah, usually, you're not local, but usually when somebody's local, they've never done it before, we usually do an arrest affidavit. You're pretty much being arrested, but you're not, and it's forwarded to the state attorney's office. If you're not in Palm Coast, that's what we got to do. What's that?
I said all I ask is if you will please reconsider.
Well, we already called you arrested, so we can't reconsider that. Plus, they want to pursue charges for the amount. So, you offered after the fact.
I did. It was an honest.
So, you'll be able to bond out once you get to the jail. It's nothing, as long as you don't have any.
I've never been arrested.
So it's not like domestic violence or something where you have to see the judge first appearance. You didn't steal a car or anything like that. You'll get to the jail, get booked in, and you.
I'm explaining this to anybody.
Well, does anybody have to know?
You guys won't come out of work or anything like that. I'm super embarrassed.
I'm not going to tell your work. That's not my job. That's all on you.
I know exactly what I did, and I know what it looks like.
This stuff's paid for, right?
Yes.
Okay. What I can do, I can take this stuff out to your truck with you, since you already paid for it.
Do I have to be in cuffs? I really don't want my girlfriend to see me.
I mean, she's going to know regardless. We can put you in the car and have her come over to you.
She's gonna be so scared.
What's that?
So she's just gonna be too scared.
Well, either way, she's still going to need to let somebody know where she's at to come get her.
She'll just sit here and wait, and then when I bond out, I'll have to Uber to pick up the truck.
Okay.
How
You said
far is the station from here?
2 miles, maybe?
It's close.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes from here.
Does this take a long time?
It's a couple hours.
I told him I have receipts of other ones that I paid for several, 3, 6, 12, 18 before. It's very common.
Well, whenever you see a judge, you'll just be able to explain that to him. It was an accident. It'll be in his hands.
Cards. That's all they are.
You ever get old ones in there that are like unopened, or are they like that?
No, so it's a whole new line. Obviously Panini's been around for forever. They merged with Monopoly to come out with this NBA Monopoly board game.
Oh, okay.
And in that comes 2 packs of cards that aren't that great, but Panini got the idea of, well, hey, if we sell a booster pack, we'll put 6 packs of cards in there, and you can hit 1 of 1s or out of 500s, or it's pretty cool. Deal.
So are they going like the Wii did when it first came out? You couldn't find them anywhere.
Yeah, they're extremely hard to find.
Yeah, I never collected cards when I was younger.
That's why I was shocked to see so many on the shelf. Alright.
You got the training receipt?
Yes. You taking this? Alright. What
how'd you get here? Huh? Where are your keys at?
His girlfriend's out in the truck.
Oh, his girlfriend's out in the truck?
She doesn't speak English very well.
What does she speak?
Spanish.
Do you speak Spanish or no?
Not fluently. We use a translator most of the time.
Yeah.
But I explained to him I would send him a text or whatever I need to do.
In your truck too.
I appreciate it.
For you.
If you guys don't mind telling her, I would.
That's fine, Bo. I gotta get you to the car. So go to the car.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on the passenger side.
Okay.
You got nothing in your shoes?
No.
So.
We're putting these with your stuff.
Thank you.
You want to pat it down again? Or?
Let's face the car real quick. Hold these. Nothing on you that's shoved, hidden, or anything like that?
No, the only thing I have on is my belt.
Alright, gonna have a seat. If you go butt.
This in that bin, okay? This is your receipt.
Check that out. So, do you want your wallet or anything? You could, if you scoot your butt the other way.
Yeah.
Here, come back out.
Get back out. Step back out. If you face me,
I'll get your
stick your butt in. Yes, like that, and just scoot yourself back before you turn. It'll be easier.
You want your hat with you or no?
Yes, please.
Do you want your girlfriend to come over here or no?
No, I'd rather. Okay. If you guys can just explain.
No worries.
Oh, hold on. You Spanish? Okay. He tried to exit the store without paying for some items. Here, would you like to come speak to him? Leave it running. Turn it on. Yeah, turn it on. Okay.
¿Quieres que llame a tu mamá?
No, not right now.
Voy a usar mi traductor.
Yeah, use your translator.
Do you know how much is it going to be in out?
It's not going to be a ton.
Like more than $120?
Okay.
Dirígete al este.
There you are.
The suspect was taken to jail, and it was revealed the credit card he used for the legitimate purchase was stolen. The case remains pending, but the outcome seems inevitable. Finally, we examine a case involving a trio of suspected shoplifters who thought they could evade detection. Officers waited outside Target to apprehend a trio of suspected shoplifters.
1042.
Hey, the white car back there is where their friend is.
Where's that third subject?
In the car, in the white car.
Let's grab her. And this one too. She's involved as well.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes, and I have a receipt.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Yes, I did. What
Come
do
on
you
inside.
mean?
Inside.
What?
If she select that other, the ones in the car selected and concealed too.
This car right here?
Kia, right here. Right here, right here, right here. There you go.
No, there you go.
Come on, come with me.
No, wait, what's going on here?
Talk to him. Come on. Come this way.
Collect and conceal
Okay,
nothing.
come on.
You did. Come on.
Step on out of the car. You're good. Here, step up by the hood. Up by the hood.
I'm not going back in.
Yes, you are.
Go. I have to go pee.
Okay.
So
Come on.
fucking bad.
Go.
I'm not going in. I'm not
Yes, you are.
Walk in by yourself? Am I
Or
being
you're,
detained?
yes, you are. You're being detained. Let's go.
What?
You have an ID on you?
No, I can give you my social though.
No worries.
I
Give
just
it to
run
this
through
officer
with my
here.
friends.
No worries. Give it to this officer here. Your name and date of birth and stuff.
Her milk? And the chocolate I threw away?
Hold on now. Yeah, I don't have. I walked out ahead.
No worries. Do you mind if we search double check? Do you mind
It's
if we
not my
search double
car,
check?
but you can ask her.
No worries.
First name Michelle. M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E. Middle initial.
And what?
Nothing illegal.
Huh?
Nothing illegal.
Me and Michelle are together.
Date of birth
I'm not going in
2/14/1989.
All together.
1040.
What do you mean? No, okay, number one,
That's
your
fine.
gift card, correct? You paid your gift card.
Papa 2963, 2971. You guys can bring her inside if you could.
All right, man. You want to follow us?
Yeah.
Just gonna go inside the SWAT.
Me? But I can find her numbers.
My car was definitely visible, and so when she walked out, I was like, oh no. Because I was at the back entrance.
That's how you pull in.
So I backed up slowly. I was like,
There is a spot back here. There's a dirt driveway right on the corner of Arapahoe. I backed right in there, blacked out. I can see this area over there. I was like, a good spot right here.
I'm going back to my car because I hit a curb like bad. So I need to make sure I didn't do no damage.
You should be okay.
Come in.
I don't, but it is on my name on my.
I just want to see if I need it.
You can fit in. Come on in.
I'm good. Yeah, we got a clown car.
Justin, I'm gonna stand there.
All right. Jose, go ahead and help.
Mark, you want me or Ella?
Oh, we're good. We got like 8 cops.
He literally just texted me and said, "Come to the office."
Okay.
Dude, I was sitting right there at the entrance, and I see her walking to her car, and I swear she looks right over there. I was like, well, I'm screwed. Yeah, I tried to let fucking Yarborough go in, and he slowed down, so I went to do it, and as I did it, he floored it. So I took the curb. All right, I really. All right.
All 3 of them selected and concealed in this bag. It's like, I want all 3 of them charged.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because I don't care if they left separate. Like, they
They all put separate there.
Okay, cool. He never went to the register. He went straight up here and posted up by the bathrooms, and then that's when he was doing the whole thing, waiting and stuff. I don't know when he paid for anything, but we'll get it ring.
Yeah, he don't have room. He don't have room to see.
You know?
No. Still be fed in your mouth.
Oh yeah.
Something for you though. Huh? Something for you. Not to write all this shit up.
I know you do.
I didn't get to ask you. I haven't seen you. How's your fantasy team holding up? Is it they're doing good?
I'm doing all right. And
Last time you were, I was about to be ruined.
Two of the
See that
leagues.
team you got going on.
Two of the leagues I'm in first place. One of them I'm in like tied for fourth.
Okay.
Yes. Doing all right.
Like I said, that's what we like to hear. Because I know you were stressing that one day. You were like, missed out.
Yeah, that day was bad. What the fuck are you doing?
Can you like loosen my handcuffs, bro?
They are loose.
No, they're not, bro. They're cutting my shit.
They're not cutting anything.
Yes, the fuck they are, bro. No, they're not. Like, I don't have no room. And like, can I please text you?
You got room.
Get out, like.
You can text them when you get there.
I can't. I don't even have service. I'm trying to use the Wi-Fi here real quick. So I can text my boyfriend so he can come and get me out right now.
Okay.
I'm like, you're.
Sit down and face that way. Face that way. Try to bend over as much as you can.
Can they go in front of me so I can...
No, they cannot.
Don't worry, we still got one.
Oh yeah. It's a more makeup brush. Set.
What do you think we maxed out at?
Sleep on it.
I'm over 3,000. That's what I'm guessing.
Whoa. Scared.
Too much.
Well, I was going to 60 weeks.
Well, it was 35, 40, 47. That's a close. Where's your car?
Out that way.
Okay.
Hey, Savannah, as long as you keep this next to you, you can start.
This isn't fair, dude. Like, I'm gonna miss holidays with my kid before she goes to the Navy because of somebody else's bad choice.
It is that
Come on.
easy.
It's crazy, dude. That is crazy.
I'll bring this up.
This is fucking unreal.
Back out that way.
Can I take the scenic route?
This is the shortest way.
We're gonna take it right there.
I was wondering how the fuck
So mad. I can't bond out. It's crazy.
Okay, well, I need my money back from her. The fuck? Can I please call my bondman before it's too late? It's 10 o'clock.
This will be something you're gonna have to handle at the jail.
No, it's not. You can let me call.
Whose car is it?
This is my car.
This is yours?
The Kia?
Yeah.
Okay.
The key is yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can leave it here. I'll be out by 10.
Well, I'll make sure with them that they're okay with being here.
I don't know what's going on. Can I get...
Putting on the
You'll
Metro right
see
over
each
there.
other when you're there. I mean, you're not being separated or anything.
I don't want to sit with them, man. I'm
No,
a
her.
class.
No,
I'm a
it's just
girl.
her.
No, your friend.
Can I get my vape out of the car? My
No,
purse
ma'am.
in there?
No vapes. No.
My purse?
I'm gonna go to all that for you. I'm gonna bring it to you.
No, I don't want all of it. No, this is... I'm sorry.
Are they gonna ride together?
Yeah, they're gonna ride with us.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, just take it to the inside.
Her purse out. Did you guys ask them? Are you leaving this here?
I don't know that yet.
Okay, I'll go in.
If not, I can leave
Is it your car or is it
Yes, it's
theirs?
my car.
It's your car? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna walk around this one.
I was gonna say we'll get you a seat.
What?
Get you somewhere to sit down. The other person there, hers? You know? The tan one?
No, wait, no, mine's in the back.
Yours is in the back? Hey, do you have a purse in the car or anything?
Yeah.
Do you want it to come with you?
That I can't.
You can't give me a cigarette?
No, sorry. Okay, climb on in.
I can't. This is fun. Where's Brent? Where's? I don't know.
I don't know. Probably in the other car.
Owie. Okay. Do you mind if I call my phone? I'm not gonna escape with my phone.
Hey.
I just have to call my. I don't know his number or nothing. Please.
Alex.
Wait.
What?
He's looking for me to like
help her find a number for the boss on the phone.
Once she gets up there, they'll do it.
Wait, I don't know. The bomb is not on there.
Staff at the jail are gonna help you find that. Okay.
He's gonna go to sleep. This guy's had it in bed. Like, yeah, he arrested me
Go
before.
ahead and tell me what
Bullshit.
So
On my head?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the seatbelt
I don't know
on
what
you.
that means.
I just want to make sure that we're keeping you and the baby safe.
You said your purse was in the back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure we didn't leave it. No, we'll lock it up for you, yeah.
No, leave my purse in there. I don't want.
Oh, you don't want your purse coming with you? I thought you wanted it coming with you.
No, I don't. I need my phone.
Oh, okay, yeah, your phone's
And my key. My wallet's in the key. Just lock my door. Yeah, I got you. So nobody can take nothing out of it.
Is that too tight? No. Okay. All right, watch your foot.
Officer Spears, what do you see in plain view right here?
No,
Bring it out.
So grab all that. Grab your purse. And then bring it up here this way.
And then think about as kind of supportive to the reasoning of why this may be odd. Initially, it was very important to her that we bring her purse with us. Then she thought about it for 2 seconds and went, actually, just lock up my car. Leave my purse in the car and just lock it up.
I can tell you, I don't want my purse left in a car overnight in a
Hell
parking lot on US 1 on a holiday weekend.
Initially, no chargeable offenses were found in their car. However, all three were ultimately charged with felony grand theft. Thanks for watching Fraud Criminals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more stories that expose the truth behind crimes.